App stores will have to implement measures in Singapore to determine if their users are minors and cut children's access to harmful content. The moves are from a code of practice by the country's media watchdog, which kicks in from the 31st of March. Now, the code targets app distribution services or app stores with significant reach or impact. Now, they include those from tech companies Apple, Google, Huawei, Microsoft and Samsung. Nicolas Ng with this report.
If you're worried about what children can download onto their mobile devices, the government is too. Which is why the Infocomm Media Development Authority has released a code of practice for app stores.
Because app stores are gateways to a lot of products and services, I think they are a key stakeholder in this ecosystem. So moving forward, I think there's greater value and importance in app stores implementing an accurate age rating system and enforcing it effectively.
Under the new code, app stores will have to keep harmful content away from users. That includes sexual and violent content, cyberbullying, as well as suicide and self-harm. App stores are also required to have tighter access controls for children and separate accounts for parents and their kids. Some parts of this code of practice aren't new. Take, for example, having age restrictions on an app store. If we use Apple as an example, I could download this 17+ game on my adult account. But if I were to switch to a child's account, age 4, that's just not possible. Another part of the code is implementing age assurance. That's something that Australia has called for in its impending social media ban for those under 16. IMDA sees age assurance as a way to make sure that someone is as old as they say that they are, not just checking a box. And this can come in two ways. Either by using technology like artificial intelligence, machine learning, or facial verification to determine how old a user is, or by using established information like credit cards.
This guideline is actually not prescriptive. It doesn't tell you how to do it. And I think it's also important that the legislation should not be too prescriptive, because each platform has its own method, tried and tested method, which is suitable for their users and for their platforms.
For its part, Google says it's working on implementing age assurance technology for its Play Store. Apple declined to comment. Digital Development and Information Minister Josephine Teo says no single solution can eliminate all online risks, and Singapore is committed to reducing online harms.